Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 43 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE mathematics. I hope all of you are doing good. Yes, great. So today we're starting a new chapter bacha, which is area related to circles. Doing the part 1 of this particular chapter, going to talk about only ring part. Okay, so we'll see what is a circle, how we can write the perimeter, what we can write for the area. We'll see all the formulas. Then we'll talk about a circular ring. Okay, in the next session we'll talk about the sector and the segment. Today we'll talk about only circular ring and solve questions on it. I hope this is clear. Okay, so you know me, I am your friend, your mentor, Ankit Sir. Okay, coming here on the platform of Diksha Vedanta Foundation YouTube channel, where we are doing every day the sessions, the classes on maths and sciences to help you out with the preparation of your boards bacha, right? So please give us some appreciation if you like our sessions. Okay, any other feedback you have, let us know in the comment section. We would love to check out your comments and give a positive feedback from our side. What the best we can do, we'll do that bacha, right? You know our commitments, we are here. Once we have committed something, we will certainly fulfill it, right? So please make sure that you are here. If you're here watching the session, give us your feedback, whatever you need. If you need something else from us for the preparation of from your side, let us know that as well. Okay, so right now I'm going to start with the session. Please have a look. So coming up first is the chapter plan. If you check the chapter plan bacha, you have circular ring. Okay, we'll talk about that today. And we have sector and segment. Again, these questions that can be arranged in any manner. Like there are different pattern questions are there, where in the square you have a sector cut off, something like that is there. So combination of the figure will be there, but we'll see how much we can do in the sessions. Right now we'll talk about only circular ring. So now if you check out this, so whole mensuration unit has a weightage of 10 marks bacha. Okay, so 10 marks is there, but very calculative, so you have to be on point with the calculation, otherwise your efforts will be wasted. If you're solving question in the mensuration, then be sure that you are very good in calculation. Otherwise what happens, if the question is difficult or lengthy or tricky, what they do is they give you a difficult calculation and you end up wasting a lot of time in it. So if you are attempting a question like this, make sure that you are on point with your calculation to attempt it in the beginning and get it done. Otherwise keep it for last, once you're done with the other things, and do these questions at the last in the examination. Your preferences, whatever is your strength and weaknesses. Okay, chaliye. So now for this chapter, area related to circles, we have 4 marker. I have not seen any chapter wise segregation for marks. Okay, but once I check the paper, okay, I'm saying that in the recent past papers they have not asked any 5 marker question in this. So maximum they ask a 4 marker case study. Okay, that's also very rare. Okay, so very rarely they ask case study as well from this, but if they can ask a 4 marker case study. Otherwise MCQs are coming every year. 1 or 2 MCQs are coming in this chapter. 2 marker questions can also come. So you can see that MCQ 2 marker 3 marker is mostly where the questions will be coming from this particular chapter. Okay, whether it is circular ring or sector and segment of a circle, looking for area or the or the circumference of the sector or segment. I hope this is clear. Chaliye. Now once this is done, have a look. First thing we'll talk about is that the formulas that we have related to the circles. So let's just have a look once. Chaliye. Great. So if you know the circles, okay, circle look like this bacha. Okay, what are the features of circle? It will have a center, so it will have a fixed point, and this distance between the fixed point and the circumference, or the point on the circumference, will be always a constant called as r. That's the definition of a circle. Fixed point and the distance is always constant from where? From the fixed point to the point, any point on the circumference. Clear? That's called radius. Okay, now in this we have something called as the length bacha. It's called as length or of the boundary. What is it called? Length of the boundary. You can also name this to be what bacha? You can also name this to be perimeter. Perimeter, or in this particular case we use most often as circumference. Circumference. When you see this, the formula is same for all the 3. There are different names of the same thing, given as 2 pi r. 2 times of pi times of r. What is pi, sir? Pi has 2 values, you know it very well, either 22/7, or you can also at times use it as 3.14. 3.14. I hope this is clear. Please check this out. Okay, now we also have another formula for the circle part. Remember this: area of a circle. Area of a circle. if you would like the derivation, actually the derivation is there, but you won't see this in grade 10. You will see this in grade 12. Some questions might be there. If you want, you can derive it there, but right now just take this formula directly, coming as pi r square again. So it's going to be a formula of area. Area value will always be in square units. So this will be simply in units. So circumference is a length. It's the length of the boundary, will be centimeters, meters, kilometers, like that. So it will be a unit system, okay, means single unit. Over here we'll have square units. Is that clear? Chaliye. So this is the two formula for a circle. Let's look at the circular ring part. As the name says, very simple, na? They are not difficult concepts. So ring means it will be a concentric circle, means with the same center you'll have two different radii looking like this. Won't you agree? Yes sir. It means if this radius is radius r, sorry, I've taken reverse, right? Small r, this is small r, then this is what capital R. Then we call what this call this to be as the thickness or the width, and this thickness or the width is given by capital R minus small r, capital R minus small r. Okay, so this is the thickness or of the width. Why this is important? Because sometimes what they do, no, embankment questions, or they can give you questions of a running track, circular track around a park, something like that. Then they'll ask you the width of the track. In that case, what you have to do? Simply take r minus r into the consideration. Find the value of r minus r. Your question is done. So again, it's a length. So what is the answer going to be in the unit system? Single units. For example, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. That's your ring's dimension is what? Units. Okay, it's not a square, it's simply units. What about area, bachcha? So to find the area of this track, have a look. To find the area of this part, okay, please check. Okay, to find the area of this part, what we are end up with? We have to find the total area for the outer circle, which is pi r squared minus smaller circle area. Means from the outer circle area, if you take out the small circle area, what are you going to get? Simply the area of the track or the ring part, pi r square. What are you ending up with? Please check here. Pi is common, r square minus r square. This is what, sir? Area of a ring, circular ring. Please check. Area of a circular ring is pi r square minus r square is the area. So again, the unit will be square units, sir. Any doubt in this? Of course not. I hope this is clear. Very simple, very, very, very simple. Have a look, bacha. Okay, this is it. So now we will move on to the question side. Let's solve the first question that we have. If the perimeter of a circle is equal to the square, that of a square, then the ratio of that area is, okay. So they are asking what? Area of circle to area of a square, hai na? Ratio of the area is area of circle to area of square. They are asking this, but they've given some information. What is that? Perimeter of a circle equal to squares perimeter. Remember the perimeter of circle, bacha? It was 2 pi r, perimeter of a circle. What about squares perimeter? Sir, 4 times the side, na? Correct, right? Check here. Circle with radius r and square with the side a. Perimeter means what? Boundary length. So in this case, circumference. In this case, sum of all the sides. So 4a. I don't think you'll have any doubts in this. Please check. So what I'm getting, bacha? I'm getting pi r by 2 equals to a. How come, sir? Bring 4 on this side. 2 and 4 will cancel. So pi r by 2 equals to a. Now we're looking for area part, right? So let's look for the area. Area of circle, sir. Area of circle to area of square. How much is this? Simply pi r square divided by, how much is that? Pi, so a square, na? 1 second. Just give me one last. Okay, yeah. Please check. Pi r square is the area of the circle, and for the square we'll have simply a square, na bacha? Okay, so I can write this as pi r square divided by this value. What is that? Pi r by 2 the square, right? Simplify this. I'm getting what? Pi r square upon, please check, pi square r square by 4. By 4, okay? This 4 will come over here, no problem. Please check this out. Pi r square upon pi square r square times 4 na bachcha. Okay, so r square and r square is getting cancelled. What I have, this also cancels, pi and pi square will cancel one of the pi in the denominator. What I'm ending up with, please check out this side. So I'm getting what bachcha, a of c by, don't worry, I'll show you this as well, a of c by a of s, right now. Have a look, please have a look. A of c by a of s, what we have got so far, we have got this as 4, nothing is there, only 4 is there, r square is cancelled, please check, this r square was cancelled with this r square in the denominator. I have only 4 left, so 4 here, I have pi left in the denominator, so 22 by 7, the 7 will go up, so 4 times of 7 by 22, cancel this, this is 2 bachcha and this is 11, what I'm getting, 14 by 11, what is that? This is my value of area of the circle to area of a square, area circle to area of square. Option number is B. Option B is the correct answer. I hope this is clear. Please have a look. Okay, simple enough. Moving to your question number 2. Please read the question. What is the area of a circle of diameter D? Okay, chaliye, what is the area of also not circle, semicircle? Okay, so we know that circle area is pi r square by 2. Semicircle is this na bachcha, please check this out. This semicircle, this diameter, that's radius, please check. Semicircle is this, area of circle is pi r square. So what is the area of semicircle, sir? Area of a semicircle is going to be what bachcha, pi r square by 2 na. Circle is pi r square, so area will be what for semicircle, it will be half of that. So let's just continue from here, 1 by 2 we get for this, pi remains as it is. What is r value, sir? R value is d by 2, so replace that. The given diameter is d, please check this out. So 1 by 2, what I have, pi d square by 4, what I'm getting the answer as, pi d square by 8. Which option is suitable? Option C, sir. Please check. Option C is the most suitable answer. I hope this is visible to you. Clear, right? No problem whatsoever. Moving on to question number 3. Let's look at this question. If the circumference of a circle and perimeter of a square are equal, okay, circumference of a circle, okay, is equal to perimeter of a square, okay, then option number B is suitable, sir. We just check bachcha, yes or no? We just check, no, area of a circle is greater than area of a square. How remember this? Area of a circle, C was upon area of a square was coming as what? 14 by 11, na sir. Which is bigger? Please check the ratio. Which is bigger? Circle part is bigger. No, check here, 14 by 11. How come, sir? Please check here, question number 1. Check this out. Perimeter of a circle is equal to that of a square. It means after this result, we got the ratio of the area as AC by AS as 14 by 11, right? So for that case only, I can say directly what? It's coming to be 14 by 11, so greater than the area. Hence, the answer is simply what? Area of circle is greater than area of square. Option number B is the most suitable answer. 1 second. Yes. Okay, option number B is the most suitable answer. Let's move on now. So we have, please check, next question is assertion and reason. Okay, I hope this was clear and visible as well. Okay, how I got this? First question, sir, from question number 1, please check this out. Okay, from question number 1 we have got this result. I can see this clearly from the ratio that area of circle is more than that of area of square, so option B is more suitable. Now assertion and reason, question number 4. Let's have a look. If the circumference of a circle is 176, great, then the radius is 28. Let's solve it. Circumference is given by 2 pi r. That value is given as 176, so let's write it over here. 2 pi r, okay. I'm going to find the value of r, bachcha. So I write r as 176 upon 2 pi, correct na? I'll bring this 2 pi on this side. So we have to divide it. What I'm getting now, please have a look. I'm getting this as, okay, 176 upon 2 times of 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Okay, I can solve it on this side as well. My radius will come as 176. I can take this 7 up now. Taking 7 over here times 7 divided by 2 times of 22. Please check here. 11 2s are and 11. What I have 1 6 16s are is 176. Okay. Now what I'm getting, this is 4, right? 2 and 2 is 4. This is going to be simply 4, sir. What I'm getting, bacha, please check out here. R equals to 28. Correct, na? That is not visible. 1 second. The 4 part is not visible. I'll write this in different ink color. It's coming as 4, sir. After you cancel this 16, no, with 2 and 2 to 28. What is the units of centimeters? So you can check this out now. It's true. For the circumference given as 176, there is radius is coming as 28. So assertion is true. Let's check out the reason now. Reason, so circumference of a circle is correct now. 2 pi r, radius of a circle. Okay, radius of the circle, so radius of the circle, so okay, that's correct only, no? This also is correct. So answer is going to be, and this explains also the same formula we are using. So option number A is correct. Option number A is correct. Correct, na? 2 pi r, same we have used here. Please check. Assertion is true, reason is true, and reason explains the assertion. Now question number 5, have a look. Assertion A race track is in the form of a ring, okay, of a, forgive me for this, of a ring, okay, whose inner circumference is 352 meters and outer circumference is 396 meters. Then width of the track is 7 meters, okay. Width, remember this. Check this out. This was small r. What was the width, bacha? Remember this. The width was r minus r, na? So we are looking for this value, right? R minus r value. Okay. Chaliye. So let's solve this. What I'm getting, they have given circumference of inner a circle and outer circle. Okay. So basically they have given pi r. So 2 pi r is given as 396 meters, whereas small r, so 2 pi small r is given as, how much is that? 352 meters. I'm looking for capital R minus small r, right? That's the width, no? We're looking for width, right? Please check here. Okay, they're looking for width, bacha. So in that case, just subtract this. So I can take what? I can take this side as 2 pi r minus 2 pi r equals to 396 minus 352. Have a look. Okay, I can take 2 pi common on this side. R minus r I'm getting, right now? R minus r I'm getting. Over this side, please check here. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 9 minus 5 is again 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, what I'm getting, please check. I'm getting r minus r equals to 44 upon 2 pi. How much is that? 44 into 7 upon 2 into 22, because pi is 22 by 7, right? So now cancel this. 22 into 2, so 44. Cancel this out. What I'm getting the r minus r as? I'm getting the r minus r simply as, check out here, r minus r is coming as simply 7. Have a look. R minus r is simply coming as 7, na sir. Correct, right? My answer is correct in that particular case. Okay. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r or pi d. Same thing we are using over here. So option A is more suitable. Please check this out. Option A is more suitable. Same thing, no? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d. Please check this out. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. Have a look. Question number 5 is done. Yes. Okay, now I have a very exciting announcement for all of you. Just have a look on this. So for all of you who are in 10th grade, okay, and who are struggling with this, decision to make that what should I do, so after 10th grade, whether should I go for science or with maths, without maths, or commerce or arts. Sir, okay, I can choose something, but I can choose that because of the fear of other subjects. Let's say I don't like maths, sir. I don't like science, sir. So I'll choose commerce. I don't like commerce, I'll choose science. Don't do that, bacha. Okay, don't do that. That's very unhealthy way to make a decision for your career, for your life. Okay, so what to do is, you can take this program called as DSET program. We organize this every year. This year also we are organizing, called as Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. Now what we do in this, okay, we help, this will act as a tool for my students to make the decision what they should choose in their career. Very simple in that. Now if you're somebody who is very clear with it, let's say I want to do medical, sir, very good. Okay, I want to do engineering, sir, very good. But bacha, this will help you understand your competency level, where you stand in your preparation. Okay, how can you get better at it? Okay, for JEE or for NEET or KSET, whatever it is, okay, your decision, but it will help you understand what you can do better to make yourself ahead in the competition. Okay, now that's it. Okay, so again, how can you avail this? So again, to check this out, the link for this web page is given in the description. Go ahead, check the link, enroll yourself, get in touch with our team and book your slot on Sunday. Yes, we organize this only on Sunday, again offline at our offline campuses Diksha. Okay, so once you visit the campus, I'm sure that all of your queries will be answered. And how to visit? Just make sure that you are enrolled in the program and get in touch with our team. Now if you are thinking that how exactly this is going to help us, sir, so I'll tell you. At the end of the session, I'll talk about the structure of this program, and that will certainly make this clear how it can actually help you. Right now, I'll get back to the questions. Okay, I'll not take much of your time. Just let me get back to the questions directly. Okay, structure I'll tell you at the end. If the question number 6 is, if the area of a circle is equal to the sum of the areas of two circles of a diameters 10 and 24 centimeters, then find the diameter of the larger circle. Okay, looks complicated, but it's very simple. So please check here, March 2012 paper. Area of a circle is equal to the sum of the areas of two different circles. Let me take this as pi r square as the area of the circle. Okay, and I have two different circles, right? So let me call this as pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Yes or no? I can cancel this pi and pi, bacha, please check. Yes sir. This r square is unknown. What about r1? No sir, it's there. It's 10 is the diameter, right? What's the radius? 5 sir. 24 is the diameter, right? Check here, diameters. What's the radius? 12 sir. Check this out. I'm getting r as root of 5 square is what, sir? 25 plus 12 square is what, sir? 144. How much I'm getting this for this? 169. Okay, so my r value is coming as 13. What is this r, sir? This is the radius of the circle, the larger circle. Okay, but are they asking radius, sir? No, so they're asking the diameter. So diameter would be simply 26 centimeters. Please have a look. Very simple question, 2 marker. Very simple question, 2 marker. Okay, don't worry, we'll do different type of questions as we progress in the session. Okay, we'll do in the next session again more questions. We have PYQs also coming up, we have mocks also coming up. You don't worry about the question, we will solve a lot of questions, bacha, in every chapter. Okay, so that you can see in the sessions that we have conducted already so far. So question number 7 that we are dealing with, in the given figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O, okay, and radius 3.5. Great, have a look. What I have, radius means OB, right? This is a quadrant, right? This whole thing is a quadrant, means this is 90 degree. This is OB, means what is this value? 3.5 they have given, so right here, 3.5 centimeters. Okay, OD is what, bacha? This is 2. All right. What are they asking? Find the area of the shaded region. Think about it. If you take out from the whole quadrant area, take out the area of the rectangle, sorry, the triangle, right angle triangle, I meant, you're going to get the area of shaded region. So I can just quickly call this, please check. This call to be region 1 and this to be region 2. Okay, this to be region 2. Okay, so basically to find the area of region 2, what I'm going to get? Area of the quadrant minus area of region 1, na? Yes or no? Yes sir. What is area of quadrant, sir? Pi by 4. How come, sir? Quadrant is what? 1/4 of the circle, right? So pi by 4. I'll tell you this exactly when we are learning this session from sector part. Today let's understand this. Quadrant is 1/4 of a circle. That's why 1/4 of pi by 4. R square will remain as it is. What is R, sir? 3.5. 7/2 I can write, bacha. Correct, na? Why 7? Because I have pi, na? So 22/7 will be there. I can cancel the 7. So that's why 3.5 can be written as 7/2. Okay, chali. Minus area of the this triangle part 1. Check out here. So 1/2 base into height, right? What is the base, bacha? 7/2 again. What's the height, sir? 2. Please check this out. So what I'm getting, this 2 and 2 is cancelled. Okay, over here you check 22/7 into 4 into 49/4. Now check this out. 7 sevens are 49 I have. okay, and what I have over here is 11 and over here is 2, okay, minus 7 by 2. What I'm getting? 11 into 7 upon 4 into 2 minus 7 by 2. Yes or no? Please check out. 11 into 7 and 2 into 4 is left. Okay. Over here only 7 by 2 is left. Take 7 by 2 common. What I'm getting over here, bacha, please check. 11 by 4 minus 1. है ना? Take the LCM now. What I'm going to get? 7 by 2 will remain as it is outside. Okay. I'll have LCM. LCM as 4. What I'm getting, check here. 11 minus 4. How much is that? Same thing now, sir. 7 by 2 times of 7 by 4. Please check this out. 11 minus 4 is 7, na? So that's what it is. I can solve this over here if you don't mind that calculation. So what I'm getting? 49 upon 8, right? How much is that? 8 6 are 48. 1 is left, so 8 1s are 1. 2 is left, so 8 2 is 16, and then 4 is left, so 8 5 is 40. Not sure? Do the division. Not sure? Do the division. Okay? Chaliye. So what I'm getting the answer as 6.125. 6.125. What's the unit, sir? Centimeter square. Okay, please check this out. 6.125 centimeter square is my final answer. I will just highlight this with this. This is the answer, bacha. Please have a look. 6 point. There's a decimal over here. So 6.125 centimeter square. I hope this is clear. How I got this? Do the division. Okay. I had the remainder 1. Na? 1 by 8 is 0.125. Clear? Okay. Chali. Simple problem. Question number 7 is done. Question number 8 now. The outer and inner diameters of a circular ring are 34 and 32 centimeter respectively. Okay. So basically there's a ring like this. Okay. And for this we have capital D coming as 34, and for this we have small d coming as 32. Okay. Both are centimeters. Please check this out. Okay. Then find the area of the ring. Okay. Please check. So what is the radius, bacha? The radius is 17 centimeters, the big one. A smaller one is 32 by 2, right? So 16 centimeters. Area of the ring. Area of a ring is given as pi r square minus r square. Keep pi as it is. What is r square, sir? Check out this. 17 square minus small 16 square. What I'm getting? Pi. Check this out. A square minus b square. How much is that, sir? Simply 17 minus 16 times of 17 plus 16. Have a look. What I'm getting, sir? Pi remains as it is. This is 1 and this is 33. What is my answer? 33 pi centimeters square is my answer, bacha. Okay, that's simple, sir. Yes, that's simple, sir. So the question was very, very simple. Yes, it was simple only. 2 marker. Okay, if it is asked 2 marker question, again can be asked in your MCQ as well. Okay, now please have a look. I hope this is all clear to you. So why I have taken these questions? So just wanted to get you familiarized with the questions and the concept which is there in the chapter. Again, if you keep up solving questions in sessions, coming sessions, especially in the P by Q session, okay, or in the revision session, in the mock session, you'll see the questions coming up again with a increased difficulty level. Okay, right now just the first session. That's why introductory questions I've taken, bacha. I hope this is clear. Okay, so this concludes our session today. As I said, I will talk about a little bit on your structure of the program, DSET program. So what does the structure look like is very simple. So it's going to be a 3-hour session on Sunday at offline campuses, Diksha. Great, sir, this is clear. What about the 3 hours that we are using of your time? So first hour will be a lecture, bacha. We'll teach you a concept. Okay, in that concept that you have learned, you can ask your doubts also for the last 15 minutes. Means 45 minutes of concept delivery from a very experienced faculty, and you'll have a 15 minutes at the end for your doubt clarification. So 1 hour is over. Okay, next 1 hour you have to write an aptitude test based upon what you have learned. So we'll teach you first, then you have to write an aptitude test. Second hour is over. Third hour we'll evaluate your paper. Okay, so we'll see how you have done, what is your approach, and then you can sit back with us, our team of counselors and our faculty members, okay, with yourself and with your parents, and ask all of your doubts, and they'll also tell you the assessment of your paper, like what was your approach to a problem solving, how you could have done better, what does the overall picture of the answer key looks like, how can you improve on what side, what are your weaknesses, what you need to work more on, or where you are very good. will let you know all the positive and negative outcome of your test paper. Okay, so once this is done, and again, if you are a student, you might have more queries than just the paper itself. Do one thing, list out all these queries in your mind in one piece of paper, okay, at home only, before coming to the DSET program. Once you are here, write everything, bring that paper with you, the question paper, the question that you have kept in your mind, write on the paper, bring that question, that piece of paper with you, and ask all of your doubts with our team members for counseling and for faculties. Okay, once you are here, I'm telling you, once you're leaving from the session, no, after everything is over, you'll be very satisfied that yes, you have all the answers and you're ready to make a right decision. One more thing, if you are looking to get start your preparation for 11th with us, okay, then you can get the admissions and you'll get a very good scholarship based upon your at the test that you have taken. Whatever test you have taken, on that test only you get a scholarship based upon your performance, if you choose to prepare your competitions with us for 11th and 12th. I hope this is clear. Okay, so with this bacha, I am ending the session, okay, today. So this was a very good session, a simple, very easy session, I would say, but very important, because simple questions are coming, then why lose marks in this bacha? Okay, 2 marker questions are coming from here, then why lose marks in this? Okay, for that reason it becomes very, very important. Okay, so I hope the session was entertaining for you. You actually enjoyed the session as well and learned something from the session after solving all the questions. Just don't watch the sessions, please solve all the questions. How can you do that? You have to get the sessions PDF bacha. It's available for free, don't worry about it. But how can you get the sessions PDF? You have to join the WhatsApp channel. The channel link will be given in the description. Go ahead, join the WhatsApp channel, and once you have joined, don't worry about it. We will not get your data, no number, nothing, no spams, nothing. We'll just send our content in the platform, nothing else. Okay, any update which is coming regarding the sessions, we'll get to know whether the session is there today or it gets cancelled or postponed, something else is coming up for you guys. All this information will be shared in the WhatsApp channel only. So please make sure that you have joined the WhatsApp channel to get the class notes. Okay, so and then solve all these questions. So with this, I'm ending the session bacha today. Please take care of yourself, keep working hard. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care, bye bye.